Welcome to the San Bernardino International Airport informational video series. This presentation will provide a basic explanation of how the local air traffic control system surrounding SBD works. The most important responsibilities of an air traffic controller are to ensure airplanes are safely separated from each other while maintaining the most efficient flow of air traffic. Accomplishing this is complex and labor-intensive. Air traffic controllers must keep aircraft properly separated as they move through the airspace system. In a busy airspace like Southern California, controllers are responsible for simultaneously directing and spacing aircraft from multiple airports, including SBD International Airport. At SBD, air traffic controllers sequence arrivals from all directions into each arrival stream for each runway end. These arrivals are merged to land on the runway sequentially. Wind direction, speed, and other operational factors determine which runway is used at any given time. In general, aircraft land and take off into the wind. When aircraft depart from SBD, an initial heading is used. Then planes fan out to various departure routes. Departures and arrivals have numerous crossing routes where the departures must be separated from arrivals. Controllers continuously manage and separate arrivals and departures simultaneously throughout the day. Aircraft flying at the same altitude must remain a minimum lateral distance from each other. In the airspace surrounding airports, the minimum lateral distance is 3 miles. In higher altitude airspace, the minimum lateral distance is 5 miles. If aircraft don't meet the lateral distance separation requirements, they must remain a minimum vertical distance from each other. In normal flight altitudes for commercial aircraft, the minimum vertical distance is 1,000 feet. For arriving aircraft, a traditional descent is like walking down a flight of stairs with a step-down procedure. Based on air traffic controller instructions, the pilot descends and applies speed brakes, then levels off and powers the engines up, then descends and applies speed brakes again. The cycle repeats until the plane is on its final approach to an airport. The Ziggy and Setter are two long-standing standard terminal arrival routes that guide aircraft from multiple directions into the LA basin, including SBD and several surrounding airports. Traffic volume, restricted airspace, mountainous terrain, and typical winds were factors taken into consideration in the design of the Ziggy and Setter arrival procedures. As shown in the video animation, aircraft approaching the San Bernardino area fly specific routes and are then given final directions by air traffic controllers to land at each airport in the region. The second video in this series provides more information about these procedures specific to SBD. This video provides a basic understanding of the airspace surrounding SBD and how the air traffic control system works. For more information on San Bernardino International Airport, please visit our website.